Welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install phpMyAdmin in Ubuntu. So I am inside of the Ubuntu system, as you can see. So I have opened the terminal now. You can do the same thing with Control, Alt, and T. If you press the three buttons in your keyboard, it will open. Then, or you can type it from here. Then once you open the terminal, then we are going to type sudo pt update to check that if everything is working fine or if every repository is properly updated. Okay, it seems that everything is working fine. So now we are going to install the phpMyAdmin. So to do that, type sudo apt install admin and then the UI to select the yes for default and then hit enter. Okay, so now it's trying to receive all the files from the Ubuntu repositories, and it's now installing. Okay, so now we have to select over here. It's saying that please choose a web server that should be automatically configured to run phpMyAdmin. Okay, so make sure that Apache is installed in your system. So I'm going to use Apache, or if you are using the light HTTPD, you can use this. So I'm going to use Apache, then I'm going to press Y, and then after that it's doing all the configuration. Okay, you have to wait for some time. It will take few moments depending on your system configuration. Okay, so now it's saying that configuration phpMyAdmin. So it's saying that the phpMyAdmin packages must have a database installed and configured before it can be used. Okay, so it's saying that if you are an advanced database administrator and know that how you want to perform this configuration manually, or if you would like your database already been installed, then you can configure it. Okay, so this is the location where phpMyAdmin will be stored. Okay, this is the file. So it's saying that configuration database MySQL commons. I'm going to hit enter, and now it's asking for a password. Make sure to enter a good password over here. I'm going to use this on my VirtualBox. I'm using a simple password. Now again you have to select the password again to confirm it and then hit enter. Once you do that, it's going to create each and everything, and as you can see, it's done. So after that, we are going to open the MySQL again. So type sudo SQL and then hit enter. After that, we have to create a user for that phpMyAdmin, so it can use that user. So I'm going to type create user, then let's say test test1 will be my user that I'm going to use, and then the rate and then the local host. So it's going to be used on local host, and then identified by the password that we are going to enter over here. So I'm going to type the same password. Let's say this one. Again, this is not a good habit to use this kind of password. As I mentioned, I'm using this I'm showing this video on my VirtualBox. That's why I'm using this kind of password, but always use a strong password. Okay, and then once it's done, then type this and hit enter. Okay. Okay, I think I have entered a wrong. Okay, I think I have typed something wrong. Let me check once. Okay. Okay, this thing is looks fine. Then local host. Okay, and then okay, I found it. it will be identified. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, so after you do that, it's saying that create user test. Okay, it's saying query okay, row affected, so it's now done. Now we have to provide the permissions for that database. So to do that, we are going to type and grant all privileges on my database to the same user that we have entered over here. The user will be test1, then test1. Okay, then the @ localhost and this one. Okay, so now we have given all the permissions to that user, and now we are going to flush the privileges. So we are going to type flush privileges and hit enter. Okay, and then we are going to exit. Okay, so now we have to open a browser over here. Okay, and then you can type over here that localhost phpMyAdmin. Okay, so the phpMyAdmin is now successfully installed. So the user that we have given, it was test, and once I entered over here, as you can see, the phpMyAdmin is now created. So we are inside of the phpMyAdmin now, and you can do and you can perform all these things that you are required to do. You can test this before doing all these things on your live server. So this is how you can install the phpMyAdmin in your Ubuntu. So if you find this video any helpful, kindly subscribe this channel and like this video, and I'm going to see you to another video. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.